गुड मॉर्निंग ऑल ऑफ यू। आज हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे, टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस द आयनाइजेशन एनर्जी इन पीरियोडिक टेबल चैप्टर नंबर 3rd. Yesterday we are discussed already what atomic radii, but today now we are going to discuss the ionization energy. Ionization energy के बारे में बताएंगे. What do you mean by the ionization energy? You know heard about the ionization energy. Ionization energy means what? The minimum amount of energy. The minimum amount of energy. The minimum amount of energy required to remove the electron, to remove the electron from outermost cell in gaseous atom, in gaseous atom. So this is the definition of ionization energy. What do you mean by ionization energy? That is the amount of energy required for what? To remove electron from where? Outermost cell. So that energy is known as what? Ionization energy. So what is the variation in periodic table along the group and period? So now here we discuss again there. See, suppose that after lithium will come sodium and potassium. So whenever we are moving up to down along the group, whenever we are moving along the group, the cell number increases. The cell number increases. Then whenever the cell number increases, then electron weakly attract by the nucleus. So we can easily remove of electron from the outermost cell. So there is less energy required for the removing of electron from outermost cell along the group whenever moving for the up to down. तो इससे हमको क्या मिला, हमको क्या देखने को मिल रहा है कि हम आयनाइजेशन एनर्जी के बारे में बताया जा रहा है कि जब ग्रुप में अप टू डाउन जाते हैं तो न्यूक्लियस और इलेक्ट्रॉन के बीच का डिस्टेंस इंक्रीज करने की वजह से सेल नंबर इंक्रीज कर रहा है. तो सेल नंबर जब इंक्रीज करेगा तो फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन और इलेक्ट्रॉन और न्यूक्लियस के बीच में वीक हो जाएगा. और जब वीक हो जाएगा तो हम लोग ईजिली इसको क्या कर सकते हैं, रिमूव कर सकते हैं ड्यू टू लेस अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी. तो यहाँ पर हम लोग देख रहे हैं कि अप टू डाउन धीरे धीरे नीचे जाएंगे तो लिथियम न्यूक्लियस के पास होगा, सोडियम उससे भी दूर होगा, पोटेशियम उससे भी डिस्टेंस पर होगा. तो हम लोग देख रहे हैं दे आर गोइंग फॉर सो फार फ्रॉम द न्यूक्लियस. दैट्स वाई वी हैव टू नीड मच लेस एनर्जी टू रिमूव द इलेक्ट्रॉन फ्रॉम आउटर मोस्ट सेल. बट along the period, what is going on along the period? Along the period when we are moving left to right, then the nuclear charge will be increases. When nuclear charge increases, when nuclear charge increases, then force of attraction also increases. Then force of attraction increases. Whenever the force of attraction increases, then much more. हाँ, तो हम लोग बेटा कहाँ बात कर रहे थे, हम बात कर रहे थे कि वेन एवर न्यूक्लियर चार्ज इंक्रीजेज देन फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन ऑल्सो इंक्रीजेज. दैट्स वाई आयनाइजेशन एनर्जी ऑल्सो इंक्रीजेज for removing of electron from outermost cell because they are tightly bonded between the nucleus. Okay, so we can say like that the ionization energy along the group decreases, but along the period it increases. What is the reason? I am already explained in the given explanation of the data and in this figure and in these examples. So we can take the another example to anybody to ask you sodium and magnesium. The question will be arise in between sodium and magnesium, which one represent higher ionization energy? So then what's your answer is there? All of you know all this property. So tell me which one represent the higher ionization energy? See, in sodium when we write the electronic configuration we get the one electron in outermost cell, and in for magnesium we get 2 electron. So tell me where is much more energy required for removal of electron? Where is 2 or where is 1? So here only single electron, so we can easily remove from here. Okay, so there is less ionization energy for sodium and much more energy for the what, magnesium, because there is 2 electrons. So whenever we are removing the 2 electron, they require the higher ionization energy as compared to the sodium. Okay, the answer is there. Magnesium represent higher ionization energy. Why? Because in an outermost cell they have 2 electrons, so we need much more ionization energy for removing the electron. Okay, thank you all of you.